Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the features of the MIER Large Duffel Bag, a versatile 60-liter gym bag designed for the modern man on the go. With dimensions of 26 inches long, 12.5 inches wide, and 12 inches high, this bag offers a spacious yet manageable size, perfect for sports, travel, or even a weekend getaway. One of its standout features is the large, water-resistant shoe compartment, designed to keep your shoes or dirty clothes separate and well-ventilated, minimizing odors. The bag also boasts multiple pockets, including an inner zipper pocket for valuables, a large front zipper pocket, a side zipper pocket, and a mesh pocket for your water bottle, ensuring you stay organized. For comfortable carrying, it includes a detachable and adjustable strap with extra-wide leather padding, dual-padded handles, and additional side webbings for attaching accessories. Crafted from durable jacquard polyester with reinforced stress points and a padded bottom, this bag is built to withstand a variety of conditions. Strong zippers and buckles add to its durability, making the MIER Large Duffel Bag a reliable companion for any adventure. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.